Hello, and welcome to another screencast edition of Autodesk Maya. Today we'll be focusing on rigging the arms and hands. I will say that this will be a two-part segment, as when we begin rigging the hands, it's going to get a little bit more complicated because you have smaller joints for each and every finger. So uh, we'll keep on going for now. So the last time we were able to build a spinal cord and also build hips and legs to by using activating the root to make a sub hierarchy to make the spine and the pelvic girdle end on, and utilizing the mirroring joints to create efficiency for your model. We're going to do the same principle in that. So let's see, we'll close this out. So, depending on your model, actually, depending on your rig, if you have more than, say, 10, uh, it all depends on where you have. So, since I already have overall seven joints in my spinal cord, I am going to stop until that point right here below the neck. So, you'll see the neck joint right here. So, below that, I'm going to select spine 7. For some of you, it may be the 10th joint below the neck, then you may select that. So once you have that, make sure you select this button right here, the last tool used to make the joint. If you haven't activated this and you just newly opened this up, go to Skeleton, Create Joints. There you'll activate the cursor, then select that joint below the neck, minus spine 7, to reactivate that joint. Then what I'm going to do, click outward to make the clavicle, click right here to make the shoulder, click right here to make the elbow, and last but not least, click right here to make the wrist. Press enter to deactivate it. And right here, I'm going to go into my perspective mode to realign and adjust my object right here. Everything should be in place. The clavicle is that little tiny bone right here, just aside from your shoulders. It helps when you start animating, trying to make a shrug shoulders. There's that bone that helps curve and pretty much flex to move your shoulders up and down. So that's there. So other than that, you'll see spine 7 have a sub hierarchy right here of children, and you'll see joint 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you're going to relabel them. So I'll put mine L clavicle, L shoulder, L elbow, and L wrist. And that pretty much sums it up. This concludes today's screencast edition of Autodesk Maya. Thank you again.